Disconnect the negative battery cable first, then the positive battery cable from the battery. Remove the battery hold down clamp. Lift out the battery. Be careful, it's heavy. Remove the battery tray and clean it if necessary. Install the battery tray, then the battery. Install the battery hold down clamp and nut. Tighten the nut securely. Attach the positive cable to the positive battery terminal first, then tighten the cable nut securely. Attach the negative cable to the negative battery terminal last. Tighten the nut securely.